Your Honor. We've got Mr. Guyona as well and Mr. Hernandez.
Mr. Hernandez, I've got you down for Tyler Fox.
Correct, Your Honor.
Are you in contact with Mr. Fox?
I am. We contacted, we were here last week. He was going to get assessed for VTC.
Okay.
I know I spoke to Mr. Is it Whitmore?
Okay.
Whitmore? And they completed the assessment. I don't know if Mr. Fox has opted to go forward with that. So let me give him a call real quick and see if he's got an update for me so I can report back to the court.
Chris, are you on?
Oh, there he
It
is.
was.
Checking to see if you've had contact with Tyler Fox and whether he's eligible for the VTC. Chris, can you hear me?
I think something's going on with Chris stuff again.
He's been having trouble with his computer.
I know they did the assessment, Your Honor. Let me contact Mr. Fox and see if he's got an update for me on what his decision was or if he was eligible.
We'll bother Mr. Guyona while you're on the phone.
Sounds good to me.
Robert, let me find you.
Hey, Judge.
Okay, I got you, Robert, with David Gonzalez. Are you in contact with Mr. Gonzalez?
Yes, I am, Judge.
And have you received an offer from the state?
I have not yet, Judge.
State, do you have an offer that you could tender at this time?
I emailed it, but I can tell it to you right now.
Go ahead.
That'll work. I'll check the email, but go ahead.
6/12, $500 fine, plus court costs, 48 hours community service, DWI education, DIP, CAD SNP, and Smart Start Mobile for half the term.
Okay, I'll just take it to him, Judge, and we'll decide our next course of business.
We reset for a week for next Tuesday at 2. And if you find out what you want to do before then, just let Pat know. Then you don't need to show up for the arraignment docket again.
Thank you, Judge.
All right, thanks. And we got Andrew Priest.
Yes, Your Honor.
Find you on
Good
my.
afternoon, Judge.
Summer Tejerina, Your Honor.
Okay, that doesn't help me. I'm looking for the attorneys. Did the attorney?
Okay.
I'm here, Judge.
I got you. Summer Tiarina, 649-590. Are you in contact with your client?
Yes, Your Honor.
And have you received an offer from the state?
We have. We were here last week. There was a discovery issue. We had not received the co-ban or body cam video on this case. And I believe you had reset it for a week for the state to get us a copy. As of last night, it still was not uploaded to e-discovery.
State, what's the status of our cam videos?
I requested it on the 16th, Judge, but SAPD is, I don't know what's going on over there, but it's taken them like 3 weeks to get back to me.
Let's do this. Andrew, let's reset you for arraignment for 30 days.
Thank you, Judge.
I'll bother the state on your behalf every week to make sure that if it exists, they'll get it for you. It's not our DA's fault. Sometimes the police sit on this stuff.
I understand. Sounds good, Judge.
Who's the law enforcement agency involved in this arrest? Do we know?
SAPD.
Okay. Like I say, if it was Bear County Sheriff, that would explain it all. Not him. All right, let's reset Andrew for another arraignment for 30 days. And if we get your discovery before then, just let us know and you make a decision what you want to do. Obviously, you can't make a decision to get all the cards on the table. So,
Sure, Judge.
all right, thanks.
Great. And will Pat just email me the date, Judge?
Yes, tomorrow.
Great.
Thank
Thank you.
you.
Okay. I've got Itzel Martinez with us. Let me find her on my hit list.
Good morning, Judge.
Last page.
Hey, I got you. Hugo Alvarado, are you in contact with Mr. Alvarado?
Yes, Your Honor, and we have received an offer from the state. We're waiting to see if he qualifies for deferred. If we could just get a reset for this one, Judge, so that we can finish working those terms out with the state.
Sure. State, have you got an answer for Ms. Martinez with regard to the possibility of a deferred plea?
Actually, as soon as she said that, I'm looking at it, Judge. 1 second. One second, Judge.
Sure.
Yeah, Judge, we're just waiting to see, I believe, yeah. We're waiting to see if we can get this NCICT CIC back on him. I put it through last Friday. I'm trying to see if I can get.
He just wants to reset this for a week. Will that give you enough time to get to the bottom of it?
Of course, Judge.
Is that okay with you?
Yes, Judge, that should work.
If they get to you, but if they get the information before then, it'll let you know. Just let Pat know that guys don't have to come back for the arraignment document.
Okay, that works. Thank you, Judge.
John Fox,
Morning, Your Honor, or afternoon, I guess.
to close down the ALRs today, so you have time to come hang out.
They're limping along. One of their clerks got in a car wreck, so they're down short staff, so they're struggling, but they're still open.
How come you never applied to be an ALR judge? You'd be perfect.
Can't afford it, Judge. It's a government job.
Good point. Jose Vasquez, are you in contact with Mr. Vasquez?
Yes, constantly.
Uh,
More than either one of us want to be in contact with each other, I'm assuming. Nicholas made me an interesting offer on this case. Is it possible that I can slip off in a breakout room with him real quick? Well, I might have something to work out here.
Absolutely.
Hold on. Breakout room 1.
Yes, ma'am.
As soon as I find you, there you are, Mr. Fox, Nick. Breakout room 1. All right. Okay. We have Mr. Eric Hernandez, Jeffrey Martinez,
I got him.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Paul Goki.
Okay, Jeffy Martinez, are you in contact with Mr. Flores?
I am, Your Honor.
I'm sorry, was that yes?
I think yes.
Okay. And have you received an offer from the state on this case yet?
I did today, Your Honor.
And you know what you want to do yet?
I do not. I got the offer this morning. I've been waiting for my client to get back with me. So if I can have a week, I can let you know. For sure.
Let's be set for next Tuesday at 2 for arraignment. If you determine before then what you want to do, just let Pat know.
Yes, Your Honor. Thank you so
All
much.
right. Thanks for your help.
Yes, sir.
Paul Goki.
How are you?
Fine, thanks.
I'm in good contact with Mr. Bohan. We've received an offer. I think we would know what we want to do next Tuesday as well, if you'd like to give us that setting, Judge.
Sure, we'll do that.
All right. Thank you very much. May I be excused, sir?
Betcha. Here.
Nice to see you, huh?
Always a pleasure.
And Abel Dominguez, Your Honor.
Abel, I got you down for Heather Hensley. Are you in contact with Miss Hensley?
No, I am not, Your Honor. I don't have a contact number for her, and I have unsuccessfully been able to get a hold of her bond company.
I'm going to have to issue a warrant for her. If we find her before you do, we'll let you know, and vice versa.
All right, Your Honor. Thank you. May I be excused?
Yeah, thanks so much.
Thank you.
Abel, I may have more information since it was an out-of-county bond. I had the clerks scan that to me. I'm going to see if there's anything that might be able to help you.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.
And we've already talked. Eric's back. I've got Eric down for Jeffrey Tyler. Eric, do you have another one?
No, Your Honor, that's the only one I have. I spoke to Mr. Fox while you were waiting for me.
Okay.
He is going to be applying for VTC. He's just in the process of getting all of his paperwork together, DD 214,
Okay.
service connected photographs and all that. So
And that's for Mr. Tyler, correct?
correct. He is going to take advantage of the VTC opportunity.
30 days and get him a chance to get all his ducks in a row. Will that work?
That'll work for me. I guess I'll get the reset from Pat by email.
Yes.
Sounds good to me. Have a good weekend. Or good afternoon.
And nobody else knew was coming in.
No. Mr. Zane, Zane John, sorry. You have not had contact with your attorney at all? He doesn't have audio, so I can't. It's Julia Hernandez, but I chatted with him and that's what he told me.
I'm sorry, what defendant are we talking about?
His name is Zane John, and Julia Hernandez is his attorney. And I chatted because he has no audio, and I asked him if he had contact with his attorney, and he said no. So but I can't talk to him other than chat. So
I guess we need to get in touch with Julia, is kind of what it looks like.
okay. Let me see if he ever has had contact.
So we have no phone number on Mr. Zane, is that correct?
No.
If you, do you have any other attorneys right now that are available that might be interested in representing? I assume that Ms. Hernandez is court appointed.
Yes, Your Honor.
Do you have anybody right? Well, I can't talk to him anyway, right?
No, there's no, yeah. Let me see if he'll give me his number.
Can you send him a message on chat? Is that what you said? And he's
Yeah, I'm doing that right now to give me a number.
okay, good.
If he can see something. Rodney Johnson. Can you unmute? Mr. Johnson, your attorney has already spoken to the judge. They're going to reset it for next week so that he can talk about the plea bargain that was given and make a decision. So you can go ahead and leave because you've already been taken care of. Okay, just contact your attorney.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. Was just making sure.
Sure, you're fine. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Thank you. Goodbye.